So this is the TASA CodeCraft. This is the home page, and in the home page, if you go down, we just have details about what all and all you can see in this website, like DSA, system design, product based companies. So these are the some of the direct URLs you can go to the for the pages you can go to, and then these are some of the real students offer who have got benefited by using this TASA CodeCraft, and it's absolutely free to use at the start. So let's get started. So you can choose where you want to start. For example, DSA is the main concept, you can start from that, or else you can start coding, company prep, mock test, everything. So basically TASA CodeCraft is a single platform where you can find a solution for everything, starting from the learning till practice till you get search for the jobs, everything you can find it here. So this is a DSA. You will be having a note to read about it for each and every concepts, and if you want to watch a video to learn about it, you can click, it will take you to the YouTube, where you will be given with a lot of options. You can pick and choose according to your choice preferences, and then you can solve a lead code for each and every problem. There is each and every topic that is associated with the problems, to make sure that you are strong in that topic. And these are absolutely free. This DSA, everything starts from this until this interview practice, every module is absolutely free. This learning path is entirely free for free users. All you just have to do is log in. And in the system design, it's a very important concept in nowadays preparations. If you go inside it, for each and every module you can read about it in detail, as well as you have a practice questions to solve. So this is the aptitudes. So if you go inside the ages from some particular concept, you can see it is about the key concepts and formulas, and you can practice here as well. It will give you the explanation. If you give a wrong answer, it will mark as dead, and it will give you the explanation. And coding, in coding you can learn C, C++, Java, Python, everything. Again, it's free. Likewise, it will having a read and a video. If you want to bookmark it for the revision, you can start it, and then you can come again anytime and you can bookmark it. And this is to view your progress. So once you are done, you can click this, and it is a progress get updated here. Likewise for C++, and likewise for Java and Python. These are all the programming languages. And system design, since it is loaded with a data, it is taking a little bit time. And at any point, if you face any errors, okay, this is some of the inconvenience issue, right? So at the time, you can easily go here and report a bug. So if you report a bug by saying some title and description and how to reproduce that bug, and with that link and some any screenshot attached, if you submit it, if the bug is valid and real, will award you with the 500 points. And then in product and service based companies, these are the actual product companies for which you can train for. So if Amazon, if you give start practice, it will take you to the page where you can actually prepare for this role. As of now, we have this role. In future, we'll keep on adding the roles. So if you want to, so this is the salary average and openings as of now, and this is the interview rounds. And if you want to prepare for this SDE role, you can go inside it, and we'll be having module wise plan, so that you'll prepare very easily. So this is Amazon module 2, module 1. So codings, the previously asked questions. If you click notes, you can read notes on that as well. So likewise, we'll have a service based companies, all the service based companies. And then we have a preparation. In the preparation, not only the programming languages, we need to focus on the other things like a core CS, and then the database, networks, full stacks, DevOps, everything, right? So for example, if it is a computer architecture, you go inside and we'll start study this. So for each and every model, digital logic and Boolean algebra, you have a content to study, and once you are familiarized with the content, you can practice MCQ here itself. It will give you the correct answer. So at each and every page, you will be having a report. If you face any problems at any time, you can report it. And then the interview Q&A. In interview Q&A, you have a HR round prep. For example, you want to prep for the HR round also. That is the final round. So in that HR round prep, you can get these kind of basic questions like walk me through your resume. If HR asks you to tell about yourself, these are the some of the tips where you can use it to answer the question in a better manner. And these kind of questions they mostly ask, what do you see yourself in 5 years, where do you see yourself in 5 years, and why do you choose this field? For these and all, you'll have a guide how to answer that. And then likewise for the core prep, once you have studied in that preparation for the core concepts, you can practice here. This is a flashcards. What is an operating system? This is a question. If you want to reveal an answer, if you know this answer, you can type I know this, or else you can mark it for review and you can click here and you review it at the last moment also. And mock test is like where you can actually take the mock test. So you can start the exam and it will take you to the process, it is a total 82 questions and passing cutoff is 55%. So you can start this question, you can take it. Finally, if you submit everything and end the exam, you'll get a report. Like this is the mock test result, and you didn't pass because score is 0. And these are the rounds breakdowns, and likewise you'll get a proper report. You can always retake it. And here you can see in the history also. Okay. And in jobs, you can see the full-time jobs. These are the jobs which are actually posted in that company career portals. These are not some fake jobs. So you can always trust TASA CodeCraft to get a real jobs listed. This is a full-time jobs and internships, and talk to an expert. This is the best feature. You can book an time slot and you can give your details, and you can give a title like what you like to discuss. For example, I'm new to this, how I want to prepare, how I want to start my career. So something like that, if you want to know or talk to an expert, you can always book a slot and request an appointment. And these are also covered, all the payments are all everything covered in the subscription. So there is no need to pay anything separately. It's an online meet. They'll clear all your doubts and give you enough time to do that. And then this is a leaderboard. In the leaderboard, you can see how many topics students have read and all those kind of things. And then in the challenges, daily there will be a new challenge coming up. You can go to that challenge, open in a compiler, and you can solve it like how we do in a lead code. But this is for the more kind of thing. We do it in this TASA CodeCraft platform itself. And then you can solve any of the questions at any time you need it. And you can see the stats here, and you can see if you solve this question, how many points you will be awarded. And in analytics, you can see the performance of yours, like learning path, weekly practice, how much you did, your mock test. And these analysis you can get it for free, of course. Like if you log in, based on your usage of this TASA CodeCraft platform, you'll get this analysis and you'll get badges. If you do 7-day streak, if you are an expert badge, if you complete all this, you'll get a badge and your badges will appear here. And if you want to study in a D&D mode, you can always start this timer and study in a D&D mode. And this is a day planner. This is one of the best feature. You can plan your day accordingly as you want, or else you can send a requirement to us, like saying like this kind of a template. I want to focus on this, and this is my time period, like 6 months. I need to complete the DSA fully. I can allocate only 3 hours of time per day. So based on that, can you curate a plan for me, customize the plan just for me? Yes, we can do that. And you just have to send a requirements to the admin will create a curated plan, and it will be shown in your calendar. And then interview stories, you can see the interview stories of who are actually used TASA CodeCraft and got benefited. And then in a roadmaps, this roadmaps is for the people who feel lost and don't know where to start and how to start. So if you open this is completely free. If you open this, you can see what is the first thing you need to do, then what is the fundamentals, and what are the technical things you need to master. It's like a roadmap where to study and how to study. And likewise, if you want a specific focused roadmap, you can take this, choose that, and get a help of that as well. And then best thing is your resume builder. You can build your resume, like choose your how you want your resume to look like. You can give the details, your resume will be done and dusted. And you can check your ATS score as well. You can upload your resume, you can test your ATS score, and it will give you the result. And then you can share your resume also. For example, if you want to share your resume, you can share your resume. And if you go to the profile, and here share button is there. If you want to share your resume, you can share in that manner also. Here, this is the URL, you can copy, and then you can share your resume. For each user, you'll get a unique username. With that, you can share your resume also. Instead of creating and sharing, you can directly do this. So this is about TASA CodeCraft things. And if any queries or issues, you can always reach out to us in this using this. And these are some of our blogs you can explore. If binary search, resume, ATS score, and graph traversal campus interviews or some feedbacks. These are some of the blogs, and this is a little just about us. Two friends who are interested started this just for them who wanted to get placed. So this is a free code prep. Always you can prep the basic things hassle free, and it's mainly built in the thing of convenience. Everything can be done in a single platform. All your problems, one point solution is TASA CodeCraft. Thank you.